Burrito Bowl. The recipe for today from SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. For the Burrito Bowl, I have Mexican rice, tomato salsa, sour cream, baked beans and some nachos. For the recipe of Mexican rice and salsa, I have shared the link below. So, to our burrito bowl, here it goes. Some Mexican rice will go at the bottom of the bowl. On top of it goes some baked beans, on top of it goes some salsa, some sour cream in the center, and some nachos. Into the bowl. Our burrito bowl is ready to eat.